Hi there, this is Supreena again. I'm a licensed hairdresser for 16 years and I've been teaching hairdressing for last 8 years. In today's video, we're going to talk about build up on our scalp and in our hair. So there are two different kind of build-ups that we have in our hair. The one comes from product, the other one comes from mineral. So if you're using a lot of products like hairspray, mousse, gel, heat protector, serums and all sort of like hairsprays, it can give you a build up over the time. It just coats our hair with a very thin layer, so then our hair are not able to absorb the moisture or the product will stop to give you any results. So there is another kind of buildup that comes from mineral. If you wash your hair with the hard water or if you swim a lot, it can give you a chlorine buildup or it can give you a buildup from calcium in the water. So how do we know that if our hair has this kind of buildup? So if your hair are in general, they're very dull looking, they do not have any shine in it, you feel them, they're very heavy, you feel it's not clean, or your hair does not hold the curls, or if your hair are limp and you cannot do much with that, you will know that it has a build-up. So this build-up, how do we get rid of this kind of build-up from our hair? So the first thing that we need to change is our shampoo. We need to get to a clarifying shampoo. If you use a lot of products, if you swim, if you wash your hair with a hot water, you need a clarifying shampoo. The regular shampoos are formulated to clean the scalp and excessive oil and dirt from the scalp. It is not designed to clean up the buildup from the hair, but clarifying shampoo is formulated in a way that can clean the buildup from your hair. So change your shampoo, get to the clarifying shampoo ASAP. And also I'm going to give you two tips here that you can use once a month. If you use it, you will see a big change, you will see a big difference in your hair. Your hair will start to look shinier, your hair will start to breathe, and I guarantee you it will help you a lot. So if you have a lot of built up sitting in your hair, so the first thing you're going to use is apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar, you're going to take 1 ratio of apple cider vinegar and 4 ratios of water. So if you're taking 4 cups of water, you're going to take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. You're going to put that water into a spray bottle. You're going to spray it all around your head, all around your hair. You can leave it on for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then you rinse your hair thoroughly. The second one you can do is a baking soda scrub, which you can use with shampoo. You're going to take a shampoo and you're going to add 1 spoon of baking soda. You're going to scrub your hair with baking soda and a shampoo together. Just leave it on for 2-3 minutes. If you want, you can comb it through with a white tooth comb in the shower, and you rinse your hair thoroughly. You rinse your hair with warm water. After that, you can wash your hair with your shampoo and your conditioner, and you will see a big difference in your hair. So sometimes if you have a dandruff in your hair, apple cider vinegar is going to be a big help for you. If you have dandruff or there is a lot of accumulation on your scalp, there's white flakes in your scalp, so what you're going to do, you're going to take 1 portion of apple cider vinegar, 4 portion of water, and you're going to squeeze a lemon in that water, and you're going to spray in your hair and leave it on for a few minutes. Then just rinse it with warm water, and after that you can shampoo your hair, you can condition your hair. So I hope these tips will help you have a healthy and shiny hair. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the like button for more tips. I will be back, so keep on watching. Have a nice day.